Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn what is a programming language and what is Java programming language and how to go ahead writing Java programming, and we'll try to install a JDK in our system, and we'll try to run a single simple program. So from the starting, what I will explain is what is basically a language. First thing, language is something like we communicate to each other in our normal human or living area. How we can say is the language is an intercommunication thing between two human beings or two any living things. So here, what is a language? Computer language. Computer language is something like you are going to interact with the system. So that can be C, C++, Java, VC++, any language. So Java is a this is a Java Java is a computer language where we can communicate with the system to do something. To instruct the computer to do something. Now, now basically any computer language or any human language has a grammar. So in computer terms, language in any computer language, it has a grammar that is called syntax. Syntax is basically how do you start, like let's say do an addition of two numbers. So how you will go ahead and instruct the system to calculate the sum of two numbers. So you have to follow some grammar to do this. So that is called syntax. So which is nothing but in our living world, grammar. Now to run, so why you want to run a Java? See, nothing, just you write something. So let's say do a sum of 5 and 6. So what I will do with this statement? I need to run this particular statement in a Java language or in any form of computer language to get the sum. So to start with Java, what we need to do is you should have a JDK installed in your system. Now JDK, what JDK does? This is Java Development Kit. Okay, so this gives you an environment where you can write your program and run it. So how do you check whether your system is having Java or not? Let's go to the command prompt, say Java. So it should say not recognized. In some cases, if you have installed Java also means JDK in your system, and if you have not given the path in the runtime, then it will in your variables, then it will give the same value, means same error as it is. So but better to go to your control panels, and so I'll go from the start so that I'll just programs, add or remove programs. You can see here the list. Here I'll just say Java, nothing. So I don't have anything. Ideally, when you install Java things, it goes and sits here basically. uh, here inside this one Java folder, or inside this based on your system whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. So basically 32-bit system it will go and sit here, and 64-bit system it will go and sit in the program files.